VLOGMAS day 9. So this morning I woke up very early after 6, made breakfast, plantain porridge. Never have all of the ingredients, but it came out good. Just to say nice, and I enjoyed mine. But it only have vanilla and cinnamon. That's all I had. Anyways, we are at the airport collecting dads. Then we're gonna leave and start our day. So let us get into it. I carry some of the porridge for dads. Him don't know, so I'm carrying a porridge for him. But tell me why. Hello, dads.
What's up, girlie?
I carry porridge for you.
What? You know, porridge. What type of porridge?
Plantain porridge.
You know how long I drink porridge, little girl?
Oh, I forgot to tell me about porridge.
Me have a drink your porridge. That's the first me I eat for you.
Yes, at the first dads I eat from me. And tell me why I make porridge. And I can't make porridge good, you know?
What?
Oh, no, so I can't make porridge good.
Drink porridge.
Not plantain alone. I put one banana in there.
Wow.
So banana and plantain porridge.
What type of milk do you use and sweeten it?
Condensed milk.
Why me I drink it, but me not drink condensed milk?
You not drink condensed milk?
No, as a motherfucker I use no milk. No milk. Me not
So
drink
because
no
of me why you're drinking? Yeah. That's, you have to be honest, you know?
Wonder if it's still warm.
It's good. Make me a tasty plantain, real Jamaican plantain. This is good.
It's smooth?
It is smooth. Wow.
I didn't worry, say it I got too sweet though.
It's alright, man.
No, I don't drink porridge in like, we just not drink porridge. Because we drink too much porridge. Let me just go New York, we drink porridge, oats porridge every day. Get up and make oats.
I love oats porridge.
I don't do milk, no milk at all. I don't drink bother with the porridge.
Oh. So you like it?
Yeah, this is good. This is good.
I don't know, I'm not really good for the whole porridge making, but may I try. Tastes nice?
Wow.
Melrose.
Oh.
Looks good. Sweet potato, roast yam. Oh, she put butter on it and salt it. Why? Brazil lose. Love will cry.
Red!
Jason I rejoice.
Red!
I don't care who I'm with or losing now. You see from my team drop out. In a business with nobody. We just got to Spain gone. Where Brazil? Anyways, I'm much comfortable now for like get everything done. I don't like the piece of work, you know. I don't love have something and then me I wait for something, man. I just love make one thing. See when I do something then? Entire bus? Yeah. Damn. Made basket. The throw basket. So cute. Right now a 119. Netherlands and Argentina matching a play yet. But Jason have a prediction. In dream.
Yeah, I've been telling from morning so Croatia gonna beat Brazil. That was a fact. But the dream, my dream said Brazil. No, me just said Croatia gonna beat them, but I dream that. Me just did say, you know, so Croatia gonna beat them. Wake up with that in my mind. But the dream said Netherlands score early upon Brazil, upon Argentina. I don't know if I that one goal to win the game, but me beat my dreams when Netherlands win. The rest of half of Jamaica fall in one deep depression. I tell you so. Right now, I'm not wait till I go to my yard or me up in our waiver. I have to tap up all of them and watch this match. Because you see, Messi, I'm a G, you know. I'm a baller too, you know. But let me tell you this, you know. Take up your passport here.
Anyways, we are head back into Mandeville. Also something I never remember. I need to go see if I can catch the bank. No, 121. So we just are trying to see what we can do, but we're gonna decorate the Christmas tree. I'm so excited. Just up on TikTok live and everybody asking like, oh, your Christmas tree is so scanty. Poor us. I'm back home. I'm gonna just run through the stuff them real quick. I'm not gonna show another Christmas tree decoration. I'm gonna make that be a surprise. But I'm gonna show every little thing when I did a wait for to complete the whole look. Right now in the back room is a mess because we deep clean the room, the living area. So we kind of put everything around here. So we're gonna clean up the room here last. But come could just run through it so I can upload the vlog. Alright, so these are the linen basket. So this is how it looks. Oh, not bad. The size nice. I didn't worry about the size. This look like it can fit. And it comes with these. You just put them down in it. Nice. I don't know how much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them. Not bad. That is enough. The spice rack now. Wrong color. Anyways, I'll have to work with it. But a wrong color. So it was supposed to be black. A silver. But I love it anyways. Take it out. So this is how it's looking. It's already labeled, the sticker them. I don't like that. I didn't want to label it myself. Cause popcorn. What is? Well, what is? Anyways, I like it. But I just never want it to be the color here. But it's cute. I'm going to keep it on the counter because I'll be doing more cooking videos. So, you know, yeah, that's that. This is for the fridge. Did I tell you about this already? So this is the storage bin for the fridge. Oh, nice. Yep. What is? Oh, these are the light for the Christmas tree. This is for hang up. I want to tell me about this. Thank you so much, guys. Let me tell you, the comment section is a help me to help you situation. Because me come and share my knowledge and want to share back food and knowledge. I not even didn't know said this was a thing. Yep, I don't know if you remember that vlog they want to tell me I could have used to hang up stuff. But I got it. These are the skirting for the Christmas tree. I buy the cushion there, but I don't really love it. So I go give my sister. I love the one that run a back. I don't remember if I showed them already. This is for the living room. These are the cushion cover them. And the nut ball. This now. I don't know how to feel about this. This are the table runner. So I know so when I dress it up, it will look cute. But for now, I don't know. For now, I not really feel it. And I am not spending not even $1 more. I did I say earlier in the vlog, so I have to get one different table runner. But I don't know. But probably when I dress it up, in the comments, I let me know if I not feel it. You know, at the table mat, I love them. The one we have now, water used to seep through them, and I never did like that. And make the table have like that when I take up the mat, and I never love that. Make my skin crawl. So I love this. The only thing, wrong color. Again, it was supposed to be more like this. But I mean, probably when we put everything together, I don't know. I'm see how much of them. I think 6, yeah. And now this are the linen basket. I did go put this in the living area. But because me realize that the color them not really match, I gonna put this in my bedroom and then just put the pillow them in night when me I go my bed. Cause we bed always full of pillow. In here so now I did spray for the Christmas tree. I did order some stuff from Shein, the little jewelry box here. Came. Some more little things come, but you know I don't want a Shein time. But yeah, that little jewelry box here come. I really love it. Let me pull it and show you now. I like it. Small and cute. But I think it go bigger. That's why we need to learn about measurements and stuff like that. Because if I didn't know about measurements, we don't want to say it go small because it was right there. But I don't really know about measurements. All to that. But it's cute. So them there everything. Just the live right now. So I'm going to just end off and upload the video. Bye guys.